In this video, I will show you how to find your tax documents on Robinhood. The easiest way to do this, which most people don't know you can actually do, just click on the search bar where you would normally search for your stocks and stuff like that, and from there just type in tax documents, and then you will see quick links, tax documents, view tax documents. Now this works on the web app. I'm not sure if it works on the mobile app, but from there just click view tax documents. Now I haven't yet been approved, so therefore for me I don't have a real tax center yet, but from here it will take you to the link which is robinhood.com/account/tax-center, and there you will then be able to find all of your tax documents, and they provide a few different forms, including a 1099 form, which is the one that most people will probably want, and you can then find it from there. So that's how to get your tax documents from Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.